To connect your Robinhood account to TradingView, you will need to utilize an extension called Quantated. Start by searching for Quantated on Google. Then install the extension on your browser. After successful installation, connect the extension to your Robinhood account by selecting the Quantated option from your browser's extensions, clicking on the profile icon, and entering your Robinhood email, password, and two-factor authentication code. Once you've saved your user information, your Robinhood connection will be set up. Next, navigate to TradingView, log into your account, and open the chart of your choice. From there, you can use the trading panel or right-click on the chart to place buy or sell orders. And the Quantated extension will route these orders to your Robinhood account. This process allows you to seamlessly link your Robinhood account to TradingView, enabling efficient trading operations.